Someone with severe bleeding can die in under 5 minutes. The average ambulance takes 7 or more. That gap belongs to you. Bleeding is the #1 cause of preventable death after injury. Not the crash itself, not the wound, the blood loss. The person standing closest is always the first responder. Today, that person becomes capable. This is the skill that closes the gap. In the next few minutes, you will learn 3 tools: direct pressure, wound packing, and the tourniquet, in that exact order. First, decide in 10 seconds. Is this life-threatening? Look at the blood itself. It tells you everything you need. Dangerous bleeding flows continuously or squirts with the heartbeat. It does not slow down on its own, it keeps coming. Here is a visual anchor. Half a soda can of blood pooled on the ground means a true emergency. Act now. Watch the person too. Pale or grey skin, confusion, rapid breathing, feeling cold. Those are signs the body is losing the fight. A paper cut or kitchen nick is not this video. Continuous flow, a spreading pool, soaked clothing, that is exactly this video. Second, get help moving. Call 911 and put the phone on speaker so your hands stay free. In a crowd, point at one specific person. You call 911. Direct orders work. Vague shouting does not. Now expose the wound. Remove or cut away clothing until you can see exactly where the blood is coming from. You cannot stop what you cannot see. Find the bleeding point itself, not just the general area soaked in red. Weapon 1. Direct pressure. Grab gauze or the cleanest cloth available and press it straight onto the bleeding point. Use the heel of your palm and lean in with your full body weight. Gentle dabbing does nothing here. Hard, continuous pressure squeezes the vessel shut and gives the blood a chance to clot. This alone stops most bleed. Do not peek. Every time you lift the cloth to check, you tear away the clot that was forming. If blood soaks through, do not remove the cloth. Add more material on top and press even harder. One exception, never press directly on an eye injury or an embedded object. Press firmly around it instead. Weapon 2. Wound packing. This is for deep wounds where pressure alone fails, especially in spots a tourniquet cannot reach. Think of the junctions, the groin, the armpit, the neck and shoulder area. Deep wounds here demand packing. Take gauze, hemostatic gauze if you have it, and push it deep into the wound with your finger. Pack it right against the bleeding point, layer after layer, until the wound is completely filled with material. Then press hard on top of the packed wound and hold. Do not let go until help arrives. Yes, this feels aggressive, and it hurts them. Aggressive beats dead. Keep packing, keep pressing, keep them alive. Weapon 3. The tourniquet. For an arm or leg bleed that pressure cannot control, this is the lifesaver. Place it 2 to 3 inches above the wound, between the wound and the heart. Never on a joint. If the wound sits near the knee or elbow, move the tourniquet above the joint, closer to the body. Pull the strap as tight as you can, then twist the windlass rod until the bleeding completely stops. Not slows, stops. Then clip the rod in place and write down the time you applied it. Here is the myth that kills people: fear of losing the limb. Modern tourniquets are safe for hours. Bleeding out takes minutes. A properly applied tourniquet almost never costs a limb. Always choose the tourniquet. Once it is on, the rules are simple. Never loosen it, never remove it. That job belongs to the hospital. Still bleeding with the first one fully tight? Apply a second tourniquet directly above the first. closer to the torso. It will hurt them badly. That pain means it is working. Talk to them. Keep them warm. Keep them calm. When paramedics arrive, hand over clearly where the wound is, what you did, and the exact time the tourniquet went on. A word on improvised tourniquets. Belts and t-shirts usually fail because you cannot twist them tight enough to stop arterial flow. A real windlass tourniquet costs about $20 to $30. Keep one in your car, your kit, your workshop. The best time to buy one is before you need it. The worst time is while someone is bleeding. Let us lock it in. Recognize the bleed, call for help, expose the wound, pressure, pack, tourniquet, never loosen. Want real hands-on practice? Take a free Stop the Bleed class. 90 minutes turns you into the person who acts. If this could save a life, subscribe and share it with one person you love. Next up, choking rescue. See you there.